Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my realistic 7 a.m. morning routine. Let's get into it. If there's one thing you should know about me, it's that I'm not a morning person, but I've been pushing myself to wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. And to help me get out the bed, I place my phone on the TV stand that makes me have to get up out the bed to walk and go get it. Then I get back in the bed on the phone, so it really don't make no sense. When I say I'm tired, I'm saying it with my chest. I am tired. I stayed up the night before editing videos, and I think I went to bed after 3 a.m. Don't mind me, this is how I stretch my legs in the morning. Now let's get ready to rumble. Always stay hydrated. I'm always drinking water. I don't even drink juice in the morning. I drink water and coffee, which is sad. If you follow me in social media, you know 3 days out the week, I do a group fitness class, which kicked my butt. Listen, I've been seeing the progress. But today, honey, I wasn't feeling it. I really wasn't. So I decided to do some yoga on the porch and just release and hopefully just to wake myself up some more because I do have a busy day. I think I have about 4 meetings. If you don't know, I am a social worker by trade, and I'm also a part-time content creator, and I do operate social media account for 3 businesses. So your girl is busy, booked and busy, thank God. I am also a certified yoga teacher, even though I don't teach at the moment. But yoga is my escape. It's my go-to. Whenever I'm feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, this is what wakes me up. This is what charges me up in the morning. And this outfit, by the way, is Fenty. I freaking love it. I'm about to go back on Rihanna's website and buy it up. Setting up for my first meeting, and of course my laptop decided it wanted to reboot. So, yeah. Do you randomly get cold throughout the day? Like just random moments I get cold, and I'm finally drinking this tea I made. It's not even hot anymore, but I made it. I need to drink it. First meeting, we're reviewing social media campaigns and ad that we ran during the month of January and how can we improve our engagement for the month of February, and what crazy content idea we can come up with to spark engagement. Client number 2, they are a mom and pop business. I absolutely love them, but they don't do technology, honey. They rather call you on the phone, and we're on the phone for literally an hour plus. They like to talk and talk, and I love them, and I have to keep interrupting, like, all right, now I gotta go. Listen, I wasted that tea because I literally forgot all about that tea. My third client is myself. I'm going over my social media numbers and how to improve. I don't know why I was talking to you guys like y'all could hear me, but child, I don't know what happened. My computer decided it wanted to upgrade again. So your girl had to try to rush to save everything while I'm on the phone. At this point, I was over technology, over that damn computer. They could have it. Thank goodness for my tablet. I'm working on a pitch for a company I want to work for. After reviewing their social media account, I came up with a few ideas on how to improve their engagement and boost their numbers. But my eyelids were heavy. My eyes were closing. Lord, I was tired. I needed some coffee. I grabbed my keys, hop in the car, pull up at Dunkin'. It's down the street. I also stopped at the Jamaican restaurant, Donna's, and got some porridge. Don't judge me. At my big grown age, I still be tearing up some cornmeal porridge. I wanted to get some gas, but child, ain't nobody had time. We started getting these little sugar ants in the house, and they are very annoying, so I gotta hurry up and drink my porridge before the ants start coming. This is so sad. It is now 11 a.m. and I'm finally sitting down to get some food in my body. Granted, I could have ate earlier, but you know when you focus, when you have stuff to do and you gotta, that's me. If I got stuff to do, if I have meetings, I want to knock them out before I eat. Bad, I know, don't do it. I'll do better next month. Catching up on my favorite YouTube channels, while I just munch this porridge down, honey, and drink my Dunkin' because I needed that coffee. I've been trying to cut back on coffee, but it's not working. Now that I finally got some food in my belly, it is time for random dance break. Don't ask me what I'm doing, but I'm throwing it back at somebody. I like to sit and reflect on my morning, the highs and the lows, and focus mostly on the highs. Low, my computer started acting up. High, the 3 companies that I'm working for, their social media numbers are going up. We're seeing improvements in their engagement. My social media numbers are going up and I'm extremely happy and thankful. This is also a shout out to you guys for watching and liking and commenting on my videos. Like, no, seriously, I really played myself thinking I could lay down for 30 minutes. It didn't happen. My mind was racing. Time to get up and move on to meeting number 4. So now I'm going to do my social work job, which I work part-time from 12 to 5. But that is it, guys. That is my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and I see you guys in my next one. Bye.